Welcome to Your Turn, where you ask me questions and I try to answer them. Well, I got an email asking, what the heck is that weird piece of wood that's been on your desk ever since you started doing these shows? Well, this, my friends, is a heavy piece of manzanita burl root. This is a brush scrub-like thing that grows in the deserts around California and such, and they make burl root balls that are really, really cool. I got this early on in my turning career, and so I thought I was doing great. This is like turning a rock, right? And I thought, well, let's just do a recess to hold this thing. Not a safe idea, because there's a lot of nothing in this and there's a lot of something in this. There are rocks in this thing. So I got to this point and I chickened out. And I need to hollow this one day to finish it up, but for right now, it's just sitting on the table gathering dust.